Hello, my name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's entrepreneurial training section, we shall be talking about orange oil, making use of cold press system. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So to prepare orange oil is very simple. All you just need is your orange. Peel the cover. The cover is what we need. Put it in a bowl put it in a container. Then put in your oil. Your oil can be coconut oil, which is the one I'm using right now, and also you can make use of olive oil, crypto oil, sunflower oil, and so on. Any oil, any carrier oil. That means any oil that can carry the nutrients of something else. We need the nutrients in our orange peel to enter into the oil so that we can make use of it. That makes it orange oil. So we just need any carrier oil. So coconut oil is what I'm using, and in this production I have my pineapple in it also. So I'm producing both pineapple and orange oil at the same time. If you only need orange oil, you don't need the pineapple inside. So just keep it for a month, for a week, for 2 weeks, as much as you can, just for the nutrients to go into the oil, then separate the peel away from the oil. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali, and if you're yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, kindly do so. Thank you.